Hi friends, it's Cami from TIDBITS. Now isn't it some kind of well-known fact of life that everything is cuter in mini size? Well, I think so, which is why I made these darling mini wreaths made to fit over a candlestick. Now I think these would be perfect for any kind of dinner party or even maybe a wedding or any kind of gathering that you may be hosting. They would look great in a centerpiece, or even if you just want to use them as a simple vignette in your home. As always, feel free to get creative with this project. You can use any kind of floral for these mini wreaths. The sky's the limit. Use faux florals, real flowers, a mix and a variety, or stick with all the same. I chose to use baby's breath for these little mini wreaths because I liked the really simple look of them against the wood candlesticks. And what's great about baby's breath is it's fresh now, but it'll actually dry out very pretty. So I could leave these up potentially for weeks and it would still look great. Let's quickly talk about the supplies you'll need for this project. First, you'll need some kind of wreath form, and I created my own using this wrapped wire, and I will link to those below. You'll need some floral wire, some scissors to snip your flowers, some wire cutters, and whatever florals you chose. So I'm telling you, these are so fun to make. Someone could potentially make more than they need. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial for these mini candlestick wreaths. I hope you'll give it a try and be sure to follow me along for more inspiration for do-it-yourself living.